Welcome to Online Fashion Design. Today we are going to do buttonhole embroidery stitch. To do that, I have made two lines and I have locked my thread on the second line. So till here we will be doing a buttonhole, basic one. After that we will continue with 3 lines. It is a variation, so I will tell you that further. Now first we will do a basic buttonhole stitch. After locking the thread on the second line, we will keep little space on the first line and then put the needle down on the first line after some space and come straight down on the second line like this, and keep the thread below the needle. Remove it and pull the thread. That's it. Again we will do the same. Put the needle on the first line, come down straight on the second line, put the thread below the needle, pull the needle, and that's it. That's how we do buttonhole. Again we'll put the needle in the first line, remove it from the second line, keeping the thread below the needle. Friends, we can also use different color thread, that is shaded threads we can use. So this will basically give a variation. Shaded threads always looks good, giving a 3D look. We can change the gap between the stitches. We can always keep less gap also. We can increase and decrease the length of the stitches. We can give it a variation of more length and then less length. We can go like that, and that gives a different beauty to this basic embroidery. Once again, needle in the first line and remove it from the second line. Needle and thread below the needle and pull it. Once again, if after you lock the thread on the second line, remember here locking on the second line, then the needle on the first line, remove it from the second line, and the thread below the needle. After this, I'm going to show you variation in this. It's a very basic and very nice, easy to do. As we made all these stitches in one length, now we will do in different lengths. It is also known as a long stitch and then a short stitch. So to do that, what I'm going to do is, after this long one, I will take a shorter length. Now I will put the needle on the shorter length, that is the middle line, and come out from the second line. Now I will take long stitch, that is the first line, come out from the second line. I will do it alternatively. It's the same way we have to do, it's just that we are now changing the length. Now again a short length, the middle line I will use, put the needle in the middle line and remove it from the second line. And now the long one on the first line, come out from the second line. So friends, changing the length also changes the design of the embroidery. Also you can make changes by changing the length in a variation, that is a long length and then slowly it is reducing. Friends, you can also check out my whipping stitch embroidery, and in whipping stitch, how you do the whipping stitch, you can use it in this line. So that also can be a whipping stitch in buttonhole. So there is endless creation you can do in embroidery stitches. You can do whipping, you can do Pekingese, a lace stitch, Well, you can also check out the lace stitch embroidery, and that also you can use it in this one, in this line. You can use different color combinations. So friends, now I'm done with this variation of buttonhole of long and short. And now I will lock the thread. Always lock the thread and then cut the thread from below. So that gives good finishing. Thank you so much friends for watching buttonhole stitch. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you found it useful, do like and subscribe my video and share your designs in the comments. Thank you. Bye bye.